So, am I wondering, why do I have Google Meet open?
That's fire.
Well, just yesterday, the microphone on my headset just decided to stop microphoning, like entirely. Like I tried it on different devices and it just. So, yeah. For the next while, my audio quality is not gonna be good. Because either I'm gonna be talking like this through my phone to Google Meet, or I'm gonna be using my stupid earbuds. But you probably won't even hear that because OBS just doesn't let you hear that. I'm trying to get better at bedwars, but I'm just gonna run around and play the game, you know, and yap, yap, and yap. So you're actually hearing my phone right now. So it's like delayed. So if I'm saying something that already happened, that's why. That's also kind of why I'm like studying between my words, because I can hear myself. My brain's like, whoa, 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 and he doesn't talk, so I just like, this guy's so bad. He's somehow worse than me. He's not even protecting his bed. Yes, so I can just break his bed. Oh no, chainmail armor. Oh no. Ah. Hey, hey man. No,
Oh my god!
So, see, I told you I wasn't good at bed wars. I'm eating ice. I'm cold. Ah. Sorry if my things are louder. I can't take a picture because I'm using the phone for the audio. But the microphone is like right near the keyboard and the mouse. So this is see man. Cool.
We do not care.
Cheers.
We do not care.
Please don't buy Enstone. So strange of you. Buy it. And that. Crazy.
We do not care. We do not care.
Okay, please tell me you didn't buy Enstone. Thank you for not buying Enstone. Yes. You can buy it later when I decide to buy a pickaxe. You're probably buying fireball. What are you? You didn't even protect it from the wood.
Oh my
What are you
god!
doing?
We do not care. We do not
I'm
care.
also gonna have to buy armor. You aren't getting any of these. Just in case you're wondering. I know he's like. Is he not? What is he doing? Like genuine. Cheers. Cheers, bro. Cheers. Goodbye.
Oh my god!
We do not care.
Alright.
We do not care. We do not care.
More diamonds. So you can get sharp. Then I go to mid, some emeralds, and then die, and lose my bed,
We do not
and then
care.
die again. That's just how the crumble. That's just how the cookie eat cookie. That's how the cookie go. That's how the cookie crumbles. I am very literate. That's not even what you call talking. So you call reading. Thank you for dying, but I'm also going to kill myself because I need help in the game. Not in real life, neighbors. You probably don't even care.
We do not care.
In case you did. You can always be optimistic. Oh. I'm gonna go to yellows. Bridge. Or if you're gonna call it a bridge, like what did he do to it? Oh wow. Oh wow.
We do not care.
Fireball? Or two? Cool. Yellow
We
ball.
do not care.
That's a souvenir. You know. It's a nice little souvenir. Oh, red's coming back. So, knockback.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I should probably remember that it exists as well. Oh. I'm going the wrong way, thank you. Mouse like gap.
We do not care.
I swear if he stole my diamonds! Oh, he didn't. Those ones, but he didn't steal mine. So I don't care. Also, like, what? What is this?
We do not care.
Oh, you pre-gap? Hey, what is the point of these blocks? It's to kill me. And I'm gonna
Oh my
die.
god!
Because, see, it's what I predicted. I am so smart. Because I can predict the future. I'm gonna get the bed, I'm gonna die, then I'm gonna get my bed taken, and then I'm gonna die! I can do that, I can just eat the phone. Here, do you want to hear being eaten ASMR? Oh my god, I'm gonna break my phone's microphone. Because I can hear myself. It's so loud. Oh, I've seen here. Somebody said they're trash at this. Finally, I have somebody come up with somebody. He disconnected. I probably go now.
We do not care.
I'm not actually gonna go because I have like 2 micro pounds of. What is a micro pound? What did I just
We do not
say?
care.
Man, I'm stupid. A bridge like this, so it's easy for me to get out of. That's so embarrassing. No, try again. That's why you can revive, so you can die again.
We do not care.
I really want to go to green. Green. Give me that. Wow. What?
We do not care.
What? Bro. I know I'm laughing at people and they're still bad, but like, people laugh at their brothers. And I mean, these guys basically brothers to me. We all suck at this game. Does red? Oh, red's gone. Yeah, no, it doesn't have any defense. I break things, I can just like, jump up it. Oh no, bed defense. The issue is I actually am not super bad at this game. Okay, please do that. I will go up. And you will be able to hit me. Never mind. I was gonna say you're unable to hit me, but no, you can still hit me. Okay, kill you. Wait, is that enough for iron? Yeah.
We do not care.
Alright, green. Where did they even go? Alright, whatever. I can get sharpness now, so I'm not complaining.
We do not care.
Alright, cool. I still have no idea where green went. I am kind of scared of whoever's getting all these emeralds. I don't want to fight someone with diamond armor. They need to be finding me who has diamond armor as a person without diamond armor. I suck at this game. Pretty much every round I've won, I've had diamond armor, so... According to my calculations, if I don't have diamond armor, I'm gonna lose. What? Video. I don't know why I did that. And voiding. Great.
Oh my god!
Actually, I should not have done that. I guess I'm gonna get the bed. Yeah, why did I void? I'm so stupid! Oh, I'm definitely dead. Yeah, okay, bro. No!
Oh my god!
I still have the I still have the microphone on the headphones, but and they just don't work. It's one headphone. Nobody cares. Let's just decide rush. What am I doing? And these beavers are dead. Yeah, no, it's 400. You're pairing a level 7 person with a level 4 and I still killed him. Please. Oh, but he's garbage. He's actually garbage.
We do not care.
Can I have those? Thank you.
We do not care.
Away. Yeah.
Oh my god!
I still have a soul generator. And I don't feel bad.
We do not care.
I'm sorry, you're a level 400 person getting killed by a level 7 person. Uninstall the game. Cause I've learned W tapping. I didn't know how to do that before. But now I do. And I'm actually not garbage at PvP now. I mean, it's still pretty bad. I'm not good at PvP, but I'm not garbage.
We do not care.
Doop.
We do not care.
He took the diamonds with him. I'm gonna get the emeralds. He probably already got those as well. But some did just generate, so... Not that it really matters. British. No, what am I saying? No. I think I'm just gonna... If the block placement sound like they're, behind a bit, I think I'm just gonna... I'm gonna back the audio track up so that my voice actually syncs up. Something's a little weird, that's why. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I can't speak. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, bro. Just speak English. Why did I open the chest when I can just do this?
We do not care.
Green. They don't. Green, 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 green.
We do not care.
Green, 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 green. I did.
We do not
Let me
care.
just. Boop, bop, boop.
We do not care.
Oh, you guys liking the keyboard ASMR? I actually do have a pretty good keyboard, so I hope you like it. I went to like the Razer store,
We do
in
not
like a
care.
mall the other day. No!
We do not
My
care.
sharpness went prot too. Oh my god. Oh, fear me with my stones, Lord. Oh. I feel the yellow person's just gonna be stacked. No, they're actually not. No. Wait, is he gonna go for me? Yeah, he is.
Oh.
Good luck bridging in my base. So I wasn't actually giving you good luck. Okay, goodbye. You can just have the bed, I don't care. Goodbye. I'll be going the other way now. Would anybody like— oh! It's bedless. Okay. Oh, wow, that's nice. It's a nice gift. So, no, I was the last one with the bed, okay. Ah! Diamond armor now. Sharpness now. All of my stuff now.
We do not care.
Buying a bunch of fireballs. Ah! Oh, yeah. Let me just... I am so stupid. We're just gonna buy more fireballs, because I actually wasn't done. So we're just gonna buy more. I need to get 2 more emeralds so I can get, like, a pearl. Okay, where is the last guy? I want him to die before he gets diamond armor. Get it? Diamond. Die! Mind. Die. Where is he? What? Oh, he's in my base! Oh! Hey man, come here. No thanks. I would like not be indivisible. I'm not— no! Oh my god. I ate the bone. Alright, so guys, welcome to my stomach. Guys, 100,000 likes in this video and I'll do a stomach reveal. Trust. That's not what I'm trying to buy.
We do not care.
Thank you for not letting me buy it. Like an idiot. Oh, no. This is why I have a speed bridge, because half the time you just fall. Hey, stay safe, my little diamonds. Oh, part of this Please fall off. Oh, no, you don't fall off. I get to the bed now. And then I will stand to the side. He has spawned. Around the pillar. Around the pillar. I'm getting better at PvP. I almost flawless that guy. Whom? don't have to worry about him now. I don't feel like dying right now, so I'm just... Okay, gonna grab that. Goodness. Alright. Hi, Diamonds! You're safe! I'm gonna get sharpness. So I can do more damage. Because that's what sharpness does. And you're blown away! You're blown away! I've never heard of sharpness before. You just asked, what's a sharpness? Here to answer your question. It's sharpness.
We do not care.
Could you not go for me? Oh, you're not going for me. I want to go to your bed, but I don't want you to just turn around and go to my bed, so you're just gonna die here. That I just flawless him, okay. I've never flawless somebody.
We do not care.
I felt great.
We do not care.
Okay, I'm gonna get some emeralds. Actually, I should probably get prod. Oh, I was about to. Oh, that's not enough. Yeah, there is, stupid. No, I was trying to avoid doing that. It doesn't matter because I just undid it.
We do not care.
Okay, there was this person.
Oh my god!
Did he walk off? No, he didn't. No, he didn't. My bed's gone, and I'm gone too. Hey man, hey man, hey man, hey man, hey man, hey man. Oh, he's gonna flawless me. No! The henman never screams. Guys, henman never screams. Henman never screams, guys. Henman never screams. I should be recording my audio separately. But I'm not, because I'm... Oh, I hate this map, but it's not in Lucky Blocks mode. This is the best map in Lucky Blocks mode. I feel like the maps that I usually hate are the best ones when you're in Lucky Blocks.
We do not care.
Because you actually have to rely on the Lucky Blocks for resources.
We do not
Because
care.
I don't really like any slow gen map. I hate them so much. They're the worst. You can't do anything! I am fresh out of blocks, but you're gonna die. Goodbye.
That's fine.
Oh, you didn't even protect your bed. Okay. Goodbye.
We do not care.
And I would like to not die right here, so I can kill you. Right here. Can you please fall off? Thank you. I'm not good at ghost space. I don't have no blocks. So how's you guys' day? Why did I say that? You guys can't respond to me. Oh wow, that was... Somehow I got iron armor before a fireball. That's kind of crazy. I'm just gonna get emeralds and see if I can, like... I don't know, get diamond armor or something. I always buy a diamond armor with emeralds. I'm only doing this because my parents aren't home. My neighbors drive my parents nuts. Like, all day, every day, 24/7. 365 days a week, so... I think they can handle it. It'll be fine, you guys, trust me.
That's fire.
Oh, come on, I want this. Keen! Oh! Oh, wait. Aqua! Goodbye. I would like that. And, okay. Sweet.
We do not care.
Um, gonna buy a fireball. That's the
We do
worst
not
way I
care.
could have done that. I feel like my bed's gonna break, like, right about now. Oh, that would've been funny.
We do not care.
I mean, it would've been
I do
unfunny
not
and
care.
funny at the same time. Because, like, I would have really good timing, but at the same time, I'd probably die,
We do not
so...
We do not care.
Is he going to my bed? I can't tell. It'll be fine if I just ignore him. Remember, guys, if you ignore your problems, they'll magically go away. This problem is not magically gonna go away. Here, I'll help you. Let me just... Yeah, I had a feeling that's about to happen. Be funny if I got like a final kill right now, but nobody else doesn't have a bed.
We do not
Oh
care.
wow, I have more than I thought I did. Cool. Fire! Oh. Oh, that's fixed. Fire! Yeah. Can these people, like, actually stop taking all the emeralds?
That's fire.
Because I need armor. Oh, they're fighting. Oh no. What? Problematic? Oh, so have you subscribed yet? If you watch this long to the video, how have you not subscribed? Please, like, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm just a kid with a dream. Please make it a
We do
reality.
not care. We do not care.
40 HP enough for now. I'm not getting rushed. That's nice. Well, I'm not getting rushed yet. Hey man, how you doing? I would like to murder you.
Oh my god.
Never mind, how... Huh? How did a compass get dropped?
We do not care.
I keep opening my chest to see what kind of resources I have, but then I remember that lunar mods exist. Okay, hold on, I just need to use level 4. Yeah, this is not very fair match making. Oh, I still got it.
Oh my god.
I'll take it. It's a deal. It feels good getting kills, just knowing that they're probably mad they got killed by a level 7 player.
We do not care.
Because if you don't know, Don't Stop 27 is basically my coach. I play with him like at least every weekend. Sometimes even during the week. And we do duos. It's great because I'm actually starting to learn quite a bit. I used to just kind of be there, but actually starting to mean something in this scheme of playing bedwars.
We do not care.
Hey, I suck at this.
Oh my god.
Goodbye, bed. I will miss you. I was gonna say you will not be missed, but you actually will be missed. Because now I can't respawn. Are you kidding me? Imposter! I must press every button to get rid of him. Oh, yes, fast iron map. My favorite. I love fast iron maps. Because you can do things. You can actually play the game. You don't have to wait, like, millenniums just to get enough for a sword. Hey, look at this, I'm already starting my first rush. Cool. Thank you very much. I'll be putting that over there. I will be grabbing your bed while you're not paying attention.
No.
Because you're stupid! Oh no, heal pool.
Oh my
You're actually
god.
gonna kill me, but too bad you don't have a bed.
We do not care.
Okay, I should just easily be able to get this final right now.
No.
Get the crap over here!
No.
Nice fireball, man. Oh, it's an iron sword.
No. Oh my
Gonna kill
god.
me. I mean, we all expected that, so. I don't know, iron swords did more damage than a stone sword. That's crazy. Oh, you're gonna go up to my walking staircase?
No.
Fireball is what I would say if I had enough to buy a fireball. Goodbye. Can I write it? No. And I'm gonna go back to his base, because he might have wasted his 1 diamond on heal pool.
We do not care. We do not care.
Yeah, he did. Oh my god, this idiot.
We do not care.
Fireball.
We do not care. We do not care. We do
Go
not
away.
care.
Get that.
We do not care.
Alright, I'm gonna get this diamond.
No.
Shark.
No. No. No.
I should be block hitting. I should be doing yes instead of this. I should be block butterflying, but that's hard, and I can't do it for very long. So, and I'm lazy. You want
We
me?
do not care. We do not care.
Alright, to mid. Get the emeralds
No.
Get diamond armor.
No.
to win the game. Yes, nobody's been here.
No. No.
Get to get all 8. Yes.
No.
I really hope nobody decides to.
No.
No. Get up. No. Oh. Where is red right now? Oh wait, white's going to them. Alright, I'll be taking those emeralds. And I will be waiting 5 more seconds for the rest of them to spawn. Because I need diamond armor still. Can I mine that, please? Now, I've told this to Don't Stop 27, like, at least 5 times by now.
No.
So if you're watching this video, you're probably like, SHUT UP! But, when I was younger,
No.
I used to watch the TV. And people would go to the generators. I was like, why don't you just mine the diamond blocks?
No.
See, I've always been stupid. Like, look into my eyes. Do you see any form of intelligence? If you answer no, you're correct. You get a gold star.
We do not care. We do not care.
Diamond. Yeah. I'm just gonna get like a fireball. I still need tools, so I'm actually gonna buy those real quick. Let me just boop boop boop.
We do not care. We do not care.
Hey.
No.
That's illegal. Not allowed to bring my bed in bedwars. Because then I lose. And then I don't win the game. I am so bad. No.
Oh my god.